Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my teaching and my efforts, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to get the regular updates. In the last video, I have discussed about distance vector routing algorithm. I hope you have watched that video and understood the concept. In this video, I want to discuss about count to infinity problem in the distance vector routing algorithm. To make you understand the count to infinity problem, I will discuss the concept with an example. So I request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. So I have taken an example where it consists of four routers A, B, C and D. A to B distance is 1, B to C distance is 1, C to D distance is 1. Now initially A knows about only B, am I right or wrong? Similarly, B knows about only C and A. C knows about its B and D. Are you able to understand? Because they know about its neighbors with the help of hello packet. And after few exchange of distance vectors from with neighbors, then A will come to know about every router in the network. Am I right or wrong? And based on that one, it will compute a routing table consists of destination, distance and the next hop. So A to A, B, C and D, this information it will find. A to A distance is 0, next hop is A. A to B distance is 1, next hop is B. A to C distance it will find it as 2 and next hop is B. A to D distance is 3, next hop is B. Similarly, B will find its routing table consists about A, B, C and D. And A will have the value as 1 and next hop is A only. Similarly, C will find its routing table about A as C to A distance is 2, next hop is B. Similarly, D will find its routing table about A consists as 3 and next hop is C. This is the information it will be there. So, A to B distance is 1, C to A distance is 2, D to A distance is 3. This information which will be there. And then the link between B to A was down. So B to A distance will be updated as infinity. Am I right or wrong? And this will be still 2 and 3. Are you able to understand? I am talking with respect to A only. Okay. Now what is happening? After this one, what we said in distance vector, each node periodically sends its distance vector to its neighbors. So, in its B's distance vector, it is infinity. B to A distance is infinity and it does not know the next hop. Am I right? However, this one, B will send this distance vector to C. Similarly, C will send its distance vector to B. Am I right or wrong? And C will send its distance vector to D. D will send its distance vector to C. Am I right or wrong? So, B what it will assume, what it will get? It will get from the routing table C the distance as C to A distance as 2. So, it will think that C to A distance is 2 and B to C distance is 1. So, totally with the distance of 3, B can able to reach A. That is what it will do. Why it is doing? It is not checking its old value based on the information from the C, it is updating. So, this value will be updated as 3. But however, it should be infinity only. So, what B is thinking that I can reach to A with a distance 3 via C. So, this value will be updated in its routing table. B to A distance is 3 and next hop is C. Okay, and what the C will get? C is getting infinity from the B and it is getting from D as 3. So, if you see that C to A distance according to the B is infinity, am I right or wrong? C to D distance it is getting as 1, C to D distance is 1 and D to A distance is 3. So totally it will consider that C to A distance is 4. Which is less? 4 or infinity? 4 only. So then it will update it as 4. Are you able to understand it or not? So C to A distance is 4 via D. Why it is happening? It is happening because it is just following the information received from its neighbors. Are you able to understand? What will be the value here? It is getting 2. C to A is 2. C to D is 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. It will be updated. Now in the next round, what will happen? B will exchange the information with C. Can I erase this part? C will exchange the information with B. Similarly, D will exchange the information with C. C will exchange the information with D. Now what will happen? Can you tell me? This is receiving 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Why so? Because it is receiving from the B that B to A distance is 3 and C to B distance is 1. So C to A distance is 3 plus 1, 4. It will update. And this is receiving the value 4. What information it is receiving? B. B is receiving that C to A distance is 4. Am I right? C to A distance is 4. This is with respect to A only I am talking. C to A distance is 4 and B to C distance is 1. So B to A distance is 5. Am I right or wrong? Is it clear? So it will update the value as 5. And this will update the value as 5. Am I right? 4 plus 1 it will be 5. So in the next iteration it became as 5, 4, 5. Now can you tell me what will be the values in the next iteration? Because B will exchange the information with C. C will exchange the information with B. Similarly, C will exchange the information with D. D will exchange with its neighbor C. Now what it is getting? B. B is getting that C to A distance is 4 and already B know that B to C distance is 1. So I can go to A via C with a distance of 5. It will be updated as 5. Now what the C is getting? C is getting that B to A distance is 5. C to B distance is 1. So C to A distance it will consider it as 6. Am I right or wrong? It is updating as 6. And this will update it as 5. Am I right or wrong? How I am writing? C is sending the information as C to A distance is 4 and D to C distance it knows that 1. So D to A distance will be 5 via C. Are you able to understand? I am just updating the routing table of each router based on the distance vector information received from its neighbors. Now can you tell me what will be the next iteration value? If you have already computed, please write your response in the comment section. I want to verify whether you are doing it properly or not. Now see it. B is getting the information as via C that C to A distance is 6 and B knows that B to C distance is 1. Am I right or wrong? So what? B to A distance is 7. That is what B will get. So B to A distance is 7 via C. That is what B will consider and it will update. See, every time I am not updating, here you can update it. Okay, and this value will be 6 and this value will be 7. I hope you have understood how I got, because 5 plus 1 6, this is 6 plus 1 7. So what is happening? After several iterations, finally these values will become infinity. Am I right or wrong? Is it clear? After several iterations, you are getting the infinity. But what is the actual thing? When this became infinity, B to A distance is infinity. How C is getting the A's information? Via B. If, let's take that, you want to go to some Chromepet. Let's take that in the Chennai Chromepet, you want to go from Vandalur. Then what you will do? From Vandalur to Tambaram you will go. From Tambaram to Chromepet you will go. Now what will happen? If Tambaram to Chromepet road is blocked, means there is no road, then let's take that this is infinity. I cannot able to go. Then Vandalur to Chromepet road also will become infinity. Obviously it is going, but after so many iteration it is happening. If A to B distance is infinity, B to C distance is 1. Are you able to understand? B to C distance is 1. B to, okay, C to, let's write it. C to B distance is 1. Are you able to understand? B to A distance is infinity. Then C to A distance is infinity plus 1 is infinity. That is quite thing, am I right? And infinity plus 2 is infinity. This you should have find in very early. But in distance vector, this one is happening after so many iterations. This is a real problem, am I right? If there is a link as problem, you should get the information immediately. However, in distance vector, it is going in a loop, am I right? C is thinking that I can reach A via B. It will send the information. B will think that I can reach A via C. Similarly, C thinks that I can reach the D via A and D can reach about C. Am I right? So this is keep on updating and you are getting a loops. Are you able to understand? You are getting a loop and also infinity that is happening after so many iterations. This is a problem. This problem we will call it as a count to infinity problem, which occurs in the distance vector algorithm. I hope you have understood the concept discussed in this video. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. In the next video, I will discuss the solution for count to infinity problem, which is a split horizon problem. So I request everyone to watch the next video for better understanding. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a nice day.